Okay, so here we are. There's your cutting jig we made last time. Remember, you made this for the Domino's pieces. There's the cut, the first cut we made. I didn't like that cut I made because the saw wasn't working right. See how crooked it is right there off the line? So I decided to make a second cut this time with a different saw that's nice and straight. Okay, I'm going to use this one for my cuts this time. So now we're making parts for the Squirrel picnic table. I'll show you that in a little bit. But so I'm going to say what the amount of parts are, and I will post it on the Google Classroom. So this is the same cutting jig. First thing I did was I measured from that cut I made there over here, made a pencil mark at 8 inches because we're going to cut a whole bunch of 8-inch parts. Now you could just take it and put it on the line there and cut every one of them, which would be sort of accurate, or you can take this piece of wood here like this and you can nail it down with a nail. Don't nail it all the way in, just enough so the board stays still. Okay, this is called a stop. Now with a stop you can cut the same part over and over and over again, and it's very accurate. We use stops on the sliding table saw, we use stops on the chop saw. Okay, so I got my stop in place. I have another piece of wood here I'm going to cut. This is what I provided for you. This is Alaskan yellow cedar, by the way. I butt my piece to my stop right there. Hold on. I butt my piece to my stop right there. You see it? Put the saw in the trough. Get the hammer out of the way so we don't cut the hammer. And I cut a piece. Okay? Just like this. I'm doing this on a picnic table in my backyard. It's wiggling a little bit. If you can find a less wiggly table, that's good. There's my first 8-inch piece. Pick it off the floor. Okay. That's 2 pieces. And here's 10. I gave you enough material. You have a little bit of a little 2-inch scrap there. Not a problem. So if you make a little mistake, you could always correct it. Okay? There you go. That's 10 8-inch pieces. Now you're going to make 4 6-inch pieces. So I'm going to put my thing in the slot again, like that. Get my pencil out. Mark 6 inches. And even the dimensions aren't as horribly critical as that, but we want them all to be the same size. And that's why I'm showing you how to make a stop, to stop it and make them all the same size. Okay, so I pulled the nail out. See that? Pull the nail out. I'm going to back it up a little bit here. I'm going to put it in over here to the 6-inch mark. Right there. And then nail it back in again. Okay, now let's see what I got here. That's going to be the lesson 6. So, see how simple it cuts once you get the hang of sawing and not pushing hard. I'm not just going back and forth. That's all I'm doing. Use the whole saw if you can. Okay, so that's 4 6-inch pieces. Then we're going to produce some 4-inch pieces. I'm going to pull the stake again. All right, going to measure 4 inches to the line, just like that. 4 inches with my stop to the line. Again, it only matters if they match each other. Okay, tap the nail back in the stop. Remember, I'm not putting the nail all the way home. I'm just putting it so it holds the piece in place. I can pull it out later. So it's 4-inch pieces. Got my last little bit of scrap here. Put it on here. And cut 2 4-inch pieces. All right, so there they are. 4 6-inch pieces, 2 4-inch pieces, 1 2 3 4 5, 10 8-inch pieces. All right, so I'm going to stop here and prepare to do the next part with you.